Oh my god. Look how deep this freaking water is. There was about to be a hurricane. Like, yeah. You gotta listen to your mom, Emily. Bro, this water is crazy. My mom just finished freaking washing her car. I legit. Look at these people. Look at these crazy people. Like, look at that. Look at that. My dog. I should have filmed what. When we were just outside looking at the hurricane, my electricity got off. Like, look, let me show you. Well, I don't know if it got back on now. You see, the electricity is not working, and I promise I'm doing this with, and that's pretty crazy. A house like right next to our block, yeah, his roof fell off. And he was like one of the most unluckiest guys ever. Look at those people. They're just like, oh yeah, oh yeah. My dog wanted to swim in this water. It's like crazy, bro. I'm like, what the freak you think you're doing? So yeah, peace out.